Birkdale Village, North Carolina pressure washing. If you are trying to find professional pressure washing in Birkdale Village, North Carolina, this video explains everything you need to know about picking the best company, understanding the process, and getting the best results for your property. We provide driveway cleaning services to homeowners in Birkdale Village, NC, ensuring a safe and slip-free walkway for you and your family every day, all year round. Our pressure washing team is equipped with the latest technology to tackle tough grime and mildew on sidewalks, driveways, and patios, restoring them to their original condition quickly and effectively. From residential homes to commercial properties in Birkdale Village, NC, we offer affordable exterior cleaning solutions that help reduce dirt, dust, and debris, keeping your property looking its best at all times. We also specialize in cleaning gutters and downspouts, ensuring proper water flow and preventing damage to your home's foundation, roof, and landscaping, all while maintaining a safe and healthy environment. Our team takes pride in serving Birkdale Village, North Carolina, and surrounding areas with top-notch pressure washing services that leave homes and businesses looking their best. From driveways to patios, walkways to buildings, our expert equipment removes dirt, grime, and mildew, restoring your property's original charm and character for years to come in the Tar Heel State. We offer a range of services, including exterior painting preparation, deck cleaning, and roof cleaning, ensuring a complete transformation that enhances your home's curb appeal and resale value in this desirable NC community. At Birkdale Village, North Carolina, our team works hard to ensure your property looks its best. With regular cleaning and maintenance, we help prevent costly repairs down the line. By doing the job right from the start, we save you time and hassle in the long run. A well-maintained property is also a healthier environment for you and your family. As a local business, we understand the importance of supporting our community. By choosing us for your pressure washing needs, you're putting money back into the neighborhood where you live and play. Regular cleaning can even boost your home's curb appeal, making it more attractive to potential buyers if you decide to sell in the future. A clean property is a happy property. Our team is always up to date with the latest techniques and technology to give you the best results possible. We're dedicated to providing exceptional service and exceeding your expectations every time. Regular pressure washing can help maintain your home's exterior by removing dirt, grime, and mildew that can damage surfaces and make them look worn out. If you are looking for pressure washing in Birkdale Village, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with free estimates, scheduling, and competitive pricing to make your home shine today. Click the link below to learn more